Yes, wa Apomuden ebesi pia na ne nyina so ejina wankasa wonioma wo ye eso sane awusi a wo hwe wabrabɔ no eso efa obi wo ho a odidi na didie basa ne nioma ye nyina enye papa na eno na no pɛi ye papa e ba ko so Dr. Muapa ye ne ono so et na ase na kyese yetimi ede eye komotwetwe kakra ede aba sa wo hwa frito frito for and I want no more person Ghana for ya Apomuden etimi esipie na yenyini che said ye be ye didie mususu ye be hunu kwan a ye be fa so ne ye didie esan se edidie ne anom ne bebre ka ho na etimi kofa wo ha ahodo bebre na edebre ye nipadua enti enya Dr. Penipa Dr. Owusu Sekyere etimi che ha die na che se ene ya ye nhira soro nkokura Alhaji Dr. Mustafa sorry ya senya ye papa Dr. Owusu Sekyere awono so ene yen ebefa abrabo asetena asetena papa na yetimi yenkwa ena so aware wasasi so mefa kwanye so mama doc akwaba
mejo so na mechia wati fo nyina so
na fa cho ho tse
Adom ho ye
eda Yesu ase sister patron so ho ye
na me Adom ho ye na so e
yakopan Adom me so me ho ye pa mani jesa do pe menya mo na anopa nhia mu no mo be ma ye ho ayi kakra the internet no pay issue.
I think say Apomuden we so antina yenyina yaba. Say one of the things yeta eka ho asem wana say onipa bia na niko ho na Apomuden.
Anokware.
Nti say anopa ye ka cholesterol and effect wo nipa no body mu. Yes, and
say cholesterol pa me maybe awo enke me gada dwuma mu hafo nyina na yakokire na ibiri mu no ankasa
enyo nkwa yense be join
atiefo ye ne doko ne ye ka cholesterol asem ide cholesterol bi wo ho papa etimi ma won na ye basabasa na
I think say ye wo if you be lifestyle and wonder say yes and maybe you can say you are what you eat and say you and determine the type of body I will be and I say the type of person I'll be into you know say near money your lifestyle habits no and no determine how you turn out to be. Now sleep one of the important ways you will be here say no na reset your body no I think what here for some of the chabi kakara
bro for baba the fufu
yeah day so we be a trees until mo fan chame James all that and body no say enema say enwa reset no yes enti obi ahia handa na mum enema ye take it in ye di and I say no and I say using and also determine the type of anxiety minya
enti kwan bi wo ho ye betimi afaso na ye kan lifestyle lifestyle or how be a free and so na lifestyle diseases lifestyle bia how be a baby so enam bia abrabo bia na yebo.
Yes, I think say MPP you know you can't Apomuden in a part of the world Africa na a more of infectious diseases area so ultimately free obi honum na asa yenyina ye tumpon in terms of development no na enema bebre so ba into osha say you know infectious diseases no conform because with knowledge like nimdie ne nema aba nti nema bebre ankofo here to avoid infectious agency na as no conform no then nema yare for non communicable disease in other words enye bibia ubetimi age free obi honum eno no eba out and honum no and a lifestyle no eba mu yie pa nti im say e sano na yewo engrobia hardly now bones are clash them via TV nkwa mo be TV or bra now soft dazi that time no talking point to be anti, you know, be any and the time I need spend it on TV, no, I walk into a car. She said, yeah, that is the norm. I mean, Obia on the phone, so TV, yeah, any so interesting, say. Virtually in the whole day, nobody me ashare them or bra wumpi.
So interesting.
Now, and no effect a war, your body. No, we have to be able to exercise. Until the more I exercise, the more I will move around. No? Now we improve our body. No, I mean the lifestyle. No, and I'm said there has been a trend towards. I say, we have a lot of fast food joints at ABA. And a lot of people now and also it's very rich in a lot of nutrients and near my brain so I won't hear my anybody no and I think a lot more people are now drinking alcohol. Smoking, say in Rubonin, so about like people at energy drinks, no, we say, and in effect, those lifestyles not affect and to show as we overcome the communicable diseases, no, the non-communicable ones, no, which is the lifestyle related, no, and on a unity, I don't think that. On the rules, because dog, Usha Yari base first pass and your weekend bone race, dog couldn't bone race. Hey, my bone race just say area home. But transfer and quality pushing me, and I honor says Lopo. I told push you baby, and I'm free. Well, when I hope you see a car by no, I got me Adom. Name of your nose of a company of swimming. Oh, no, young, but I mean, and then Korenya, a year, Kuala, agro dear no bontains, and you'll be really for her, Chaskele near Bornia day. And then to Sassan, you can in a yesha demo, and to the Panbesha demo, no dear yini, and to bedu baby no nefe, the lifetime in the year be no sha, never follow how Eddie Brenum. Now, dog, Usha and ne, if we are seeing Pempenso Beduya, you bet me a whiffy lifestyle. Diseases in lifestyle or how one. Yes, no correct. The first thing I say, and say, become home, dear. The more uncrophobia home, dear, in tear, say, pay attention to our lifestyle diseases. The more an uncle for a bear take it, or mobile near my a bear prevent it. The knowledge is the first and foremost. And also, Tina, I mean, I'm not paying himself right to Adaroma. Or had my yakasa enti osha say the can like sedentary lifestyle no when from Juma to fee car say opese oko koto bi abaya na bibi kra no ajampe wataka mu na oko ban like say first na benanti and say the trend towards fashionable food, you know, and ye way Chinese food yes, and we need to start talking about that. And so far as the knowledge is there, the more likely say enko for you know on the obedient we obey exercise. Well, I had not so easy to gain. I say, that is how difficult. It's very unlike money. But a bad lifestyle, this cholesterol, fatness, and very easy to gain.
Fright of why you do, fright of why you dear pa say one more this and she say ba ye di body Rusania beya will be a bit me at Sabian was swim one dear dog and you be wa and opera wabet who bet me a sin of pain was in the pain sank a beya and catch say my young cra.
My uncle cried na kakra, but say be dino in keto like in moderation, into osha to say fat and oils, no, and cholesterol level no was true. Now showing kusia sausages in energy drinks anyway, say they all convert in a way to
alcohol.
Alcohol increase we say the amount of fat body debate me, yeah, because the calories in those, the excess calories in our binyano, the body no be save into fat.
Obisi kosia, mintuano, obisi kosia. So when the yolk no dinner white no okay, okay.
Oh yes, okay. So the yolk no contain cholesterol in terms of the quantity, no. But and the white no contain a woman a very good protein here. But I don't want us to create the impression say cholesterol and your crab. I mean, cholesterol is also needed in the body. In tinina moderation, no. Say you be no in small amounts. No. And I can't say.
Ain't no cooking oil ben pa na dog and ope out to me chain. Obe recommend it ama a tea for. The cholesterol no any sro. Na face so and you said the woman so is cooking oil be brave with drama so.
Yeah, I think so many of them we say, but the Ghana Medical Association say yeah hon and yehun say enema mo ka say ewom na de enim no frito into frito na Ghana Medical Association ya endorse na the entire endorse ni say ya share Food and Drugs Board authority or more mo ye wom no ya Ghana Medical Association for say ya share say yes. You can say low cholesterol, yes, low cholesterol, no, and she say cholesterol nimkra by your very good, it's a cholesterol, your good one and your bad one. Into the bad one, no levels, no any, but the good ones, no a womb, if it be high density, HDL, high density lipoprotein, and your good cholesterol. Now, and she showed me who said no, a fright or more. Men can't on my personal way say, but I think say what Ghana Medical Association about I endorse it. Frito.
Wow. Ghana fue will be swinging and one and it is sense you na. And one and it is sense you no unimo a year cholesterol a womb unimo sister. Ain't in there. Say Ghana Medical Association forecast a frito dear. Near you na ye to a fritolechi. Send your beya, ya Apomuden no so a bit me a day. Akọ enkan na enso you soon so ya mention bebrebe man entire aduane ho so che esa kragbo ka enche no asen koto foforo into to anwan kakra bua wa Apomuden bua kotoko but right of what the aton box na family fi wate and we use no kakra dog ya bre no aye bre question ba ko ha mienu actually but me pese me ka bom na me ye no ba ko physical activities. You share physical activities and more ben and it's me the bre ye nipeduana and for physical activities no say na no pebia and also be an answer and nenu yet say exercise and ade.
Okay, I'm say this here can energy no o take it in very easy to store, very difficult to let go. And today na one of the ways I get me the Lucy energy no physical activity. Wow. And according to the person no will be honoma 77 you be an bit me no every day. You say you be a bit me every day. Very good. I mean me 15 minutes before se mekwa jare. And it is good every day. My weight is it is not showing much, but in terms of me chemical composition, it's a me lab test, no cholesterol level, no way out to say and I think a lot of keep fit clubs and they say which is a very good thing. BBS encourage, and that the aim of it is a lot of energy now otherwise will have stored to increase our fat and cholesterol level. At least a bit me you see no na like with the exercise a bit me a share no off na Apomuden na akọ enimu kakra.
No cancer na wo kwasa wo bakwe we the last question ni your last one and it's a foot will be and I'll be my Ghana for in terms of check up say ebia she me the be fear do kra me nyare me hospital da check up say what advice say Ghana for Ediana Bekafa going to the hospitals to do checkups.
Yeah, I think so far I'm say system, no health system, because a lot of it is too a baye din say encrofo no and na more okay no or be sorry akoso akọ check say bibia okay one body nim. Say a lot of companies ne employment avenues no or more insist on that, even those of us in the health sector no so na enye bibia eboye nyina say pay people who say only per way na bibia you okay or could die one sorry and I say oh you okay or could die at a stroke you know ni nyina ye because say enye bibia ye check ideally no every year bia senka itime call examine your home say Dr. Betty akoma be check your BP ni we see na ya say your blood test levels no near bia your kidney function well your liver no and na cholesterol ni man bibia ye okay ha enye bibia your tired until say body no be my signal say all is not well no a lot of people will not do that, but the danger is that time my body lembo kokono na
adwuma no o say ye na koso akire
hence ye bibia say ideally every year bia obia especially say ultra 40 mark and I say life begins at 40 life begins such that all the troubles start at 40 into prostate, BP, your liver, kidneys. That is the time I say like we pay attention to your body and that. So ideally, if the company is not with me, I stay on human resources is the most important aspect.
Multimedia
okay.
Multimedia.
Every year
every year, almost every half year.
Oh, okay, so
that's doctors from Kolebu actually. Ebe shey nyina sani wo can liver function test ye bibia.
Oh, that's very good. So maybe
more than the cholesterol say na do 6.
Okay. I'm say empenyfo.
But nyame adom say
our so
sani wo can say anye no a sister kamede mehu.
You never
multimedia etimo so empenyfo HR kwasi twum ene ne empenyfo a ene mo ye adwuma Yakopon o nhira mo every day na ye call work so every month.
Oh, okay.
The whole multimedia.
That's very good. Maybe I should stop my work and come and work here.
Bravo.
But the most important thing is a lot of companies so must see free multimedia. So they must see and so they every year be workers, including those of us in medical field. Doctors, nurses, ancillary health staff. See me every year see me medical checkup. So they be you bit me I preserve your critical staff or the human resource, which is the most important thing in every institution.
Look, medawase Yakopon onhira.
Thank you.
Say anopay when you break any abeche and some afa yen lifestyle or how it made the bar yes I see yen na ho asam bibia na what ye no what show nkomo no the mechanic say miginati fo anamuda wase Yakopon onhira nam zu say ebrepam ne besan ehia bio and it Ghana from nyina mo na Dr. Frank Owusu Sekyere I will fee Kolebu Teaching Hospital as sick sanopay one man na anye ne de na wasori abekire yen dog nyamishira
that picture what you for nyame do maseso
I want so that say adofo aha ene de yen komo twetwe no asi dog nyamishira pa ya age dog number mam ai etefo aha de de doctor asi na de hope ni say ye betwe ho ketewa bi aha mame nye me LPMC mame nye maboafo kratwe kakra na fe ya papa sofo emetina ase enyuma kuo aetai asetena pa abrabopa asetena pa abrabopa ni asetena pa ni nyina eduanom abrabo senior and asetena pa na chiriba eno ntino tabia herbal capsules osime mo dawuro kase se enei wo show lifestyle ayiye na wudidi yiye na mpo wonya nioma bia ebetimi aboa ama akofa yade bi tse koko ana yemutimu ana sisi yade e de abrawo dia na bomodin ase ubenya eye tabia na wanonom sempo wo ye nneɛma edi we ne brɛ wo de a na wanom tabia herbal capsules bi esan sɛ wonom na sɛ kooko na wɔ so a ana yebutim na wɔ so ana sɛ yade a eyi firi hɔ ɛprɛko pɛ yade no so bi wɔ hɔ a ɛno no yɛ ne daa wo bɛba ɛno nti no anɔpɛ mekamfo tabia ɛna de ama wo na opɛ sɛ ɔne tabia fo nya nkita ho de a wɔn telephone number ni ɛyɛ 0243686861 na afei no okɔ ɛyɛ nanaboakye hɔ Repart Ventures and a King's Walk. Woman yina ewo okanshi drug lane. But one other and it's tabia jumekuno enya enkita hundie. Pokia 101 so or sister la or Ghana Fest 633 Park Street Acadia Pretoria. Na was South Africa was say no promoting made in Ghana goods no one na tachi herbal for into no pay say utia still or South Africa ope say on a friend on a twetwen komo na ohu de e kofa ni nyina ho a also ochina da wo anopa nondu ekosi ewia time bia wa obeko na one ni nua bema OPD ena wono ejina mu edi eye dwumadie eho achiame ba ko wono ho ana ba ko ha no mo corresponding eno ntino adwumaku a wono mo so etai dwumadie enya dwumaku say theme no ye it's all about concept and supported by Nanatechi Herbal Company and his sponsors near Amelina Children's Haven, your one-stop shop kiddie mall and in Nanatechi Herbal and one more a tide media etri and unti pokia semen country will say but more dianda na se wonti me South Africa wa odie mo am Ghana fo am mo dia na mo nko se ne ye showcase made in Ghana goods na mo support to ye modie mu Helen K Fashions and Helen K Fashions and so men can show say here and they all can't lace papa last week ne be dry lace na hodro colors just a designs lace ne say no oh I'm telling good morning what Yakopon so nhyira say oboa eye Ghana for ebebre wo yentade hyemu ye pie mu ebia yayefu komu abedin tuomu occasion bia engagement name ne keka ho nyina until Helen Case men can show say o de bomodi abo anan ne bra Helen K Fashions is as ono no obi sa wasam say o pese ababia wo kɔ no wo dem sronko ana anampono opese ade abeto no eya de papa pa onkohye usika emfangu osese leather bag any shoes and wo bi ho leather belts ebi ho trouser suits skirt suits dress suits enkwala empanin tade a ye de nante around obi kan casual so wo bi ho okwa yefro ope eye ampempran ne de agu kom ne wonsa ne nyina ebi ho ose wo wayefro ho nneoma a kire se o de bapoto kase mo se bridal accessories or woni nyina ebi wo ho no mo eye word eche eye fro che fascinators kure kan se wotwi mu em se rev ha eye obekire me fascinators what nim ni twi mu na ya na ebi full lies na na wa kire and NFA tiara de ende wo ho de I fro ne veil ne ebi soso na de si wa pampam sa no ai owe no so ebi wo ho NFA no de wo pe bia de asiesie wo ho lace watch perfumes ni nyina designer enko ni nyina ebi ewo ho enti no and Helen K Fashions say o de men worry but de wo de wo hia so be bo anan no awura na de me kotena no ho de ana me fe ne say wa bana wo to ade no otimi ade ni nyina dress o ama o gina hwehwe mu hwe wo ho wie kransa na beto awato enye so ba ya no ayi ama no ye can say pick and match no ayi we ato no akofa we dia be hye so eche we no dia hwa atade no no ayi ato no akofa mpabo oh until nyame hya so wo nipa ho daje wate enye se nipa ne ba ya no agi ni sika da bi obi timi be select bi ma me se da bi we die me show color kra emfata wo enso obi a kan sika no an woje se be fata wo ho de enye nasem and it anti Helen K Fashions also Bratama Community 1 former Kingsway dynamo hope former Kingsway a dynamo pe hon wo Helen K fashions kese pa we bie e wotema ho na woni Modisco electrical and FA cash forest barrel one mo and a ben ho pa e community one ho enti sa obefre 0503 924 0503 924 and 0244 467 353 0244 467 353 and tell us men can show say o de brakeke na wo mo diada and make you no match you say facial makeup and so and edim bia wonim bia America wo mark wo fashion fair Bobby Brown and Imam and the keka ho nyina oba obehwe na wasiesie o fe to dress wo ho wi a ansana wa would ye pie nti wo pie na wa hyede ko ba bia ko na wa feel good sans wo dress wo store no mu no wa koma eto yem Onga food seasoning a fee a year Promasidor quality food products and Promasidor for one say share Ghana food no ya de Ghana ehwehwande ene de beye onga aye de gu aduane mu yi na chese hwentia kakadro misa wereaba garlic no mo ne de akeka ho nyina eno won keka bomu a na wa sonson so abefu ne aye bit say cube no na face no tablet no na fe o masan ye bi so te say powder ne nyina ye say aduane beye hwam na yakono na ye de eno ntino oto onga won say usika onga for no one man on day a hot air balloon cowbell on product ba ko cowbell the hot air balloon and na mu wiem and I know Jerry Justice or say Maame Akua say so ko be na say bo bo ai kai si basket ma bo wana tete san na chi I don't say onga de yensi na twetwe ane onga no so no ye wo mu ahodo enum ye wo onga shrimp onga stew onga chicken onga 3 mix and a onga classic ni nyina adia vitamin A ewo mu NFA iodine so ewo mu nti no wodi onga dia wonni no kwa wo me dem maka kiro o pese o yi hu fi akoma yare mu wo ehwehwan de gugu nuane mu na o pese o yi hu firi ma onga and ese mo ni koso na uta edi esanse proudly Ghanaian tibo modianda na etotobi zoatem anti-malaria drug so nie waseme mo da wuro huraye pa na etete wo huraye ya de bone papa huraye ba wo so a etimi ma obi bia ya wadwen kura wo de adwen no kura etimi e ma ne ye pasapasa huraye etimi ko wura wadwen mu a wonya fever malaria fever na de nama ko wura wadwen mu bacteria na de yade ne ba no ko wura wadwen mu a wo haw pa de mani padua no etimi kura ma wadwen no huja kakra eno nti na tab Apple Health Care for one must there be almost sure huraye ho nsam one ma hunu huraye de yetimi ye wasay ye de bre nipa no must there be ye de adre baba beboa ye manfo a wo Ghana enu nti no obomodian wo kra enroi en wo de aba Ghana ha na wo mu ahodo no mpanifo de ne mienu na nkwara de ba ko mpanifo de ne ozoatem fort na fezoatem DS na nkwara ne de ne ozoatem suspension e wo anka akutuo enka hwehwe hwam abofra no wo de mana won popuniti kura apemfo de some hu doctors ansa na manom bi na entesa ebia na kofa ebi e de abremo eno nti no osehwehwe won akira kwan tab Apple Healthcare for one Watama Community 25 Well Health Plaza a Dynamo and this after one more 020 431 0031 02043100031 and 055 0005363 055 0005363 na one more intime mfa zoatemedrei emwa ma Apomuden so intime NCP Mema aye dog akwa ba de aka no ye beto so aka Ozones and efe aka Adom online. Enti bi am no so ho enkrato ebe